this is the part 2 of the Lekki-EPE Expressway construction update. So if you have not watched part 1, I would recommend you watch the part 2. Right here, I'm standing in Sangotedo. I'm doing a road tour to show you the Lekki-EPE Expressway construction update, to let you know if this project is still ongoing or it has been abandoned. So stay till the end of this video as I take this tour from Sangotedo. I've done the part 1. If you have not watched part 1, I would recommend that you watch the part 1. So stay till the end of this video. And if you check around, you notice that I'm in Sangotedo currently. See what is going on site. Take the camera and show what is going on site. This is what is going on site currently in Sangotedo. So I will drive from this point, from Sangotedo, which I am, down to Awoyaya. That will be the part 2. Then after this part 2, I will do part 3, which will be from Awoyaya down to Elekki. Please stay tuned in this video. And if you're looking at buying property in this Lekki-EPE axis, then the best person to talk to is Dennis Isong. What I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. Thank you. Stay till the end of this video and make sure you watch part 1 if you have not watched part 1. And also, after this video, make sure you watch part 3 of this video, which will be the next video after this. Thank you. This is the second phase of this construction, or the second phase of my video also, which is from Sangotedo down to Awoyaya. From the observation, you will see that the work is currently going all the way from Sangotedo down to Abijo. One side of the lane is ongoing. Then from Abijo down to Awoyaya, work is also ongoing. This particular Lekki-EPE Expressway construction is actually a very major project that you should not miss for anything. I would strongly recommend that you own property in these houses, because those that own property in these houses, they are very happy that they actually do. And the best thing to do now is to position yourself and own a property in this Lekki-EPE Expressway. And this construction will make these houses to be fantastic. This Elekki axis and also the Bejuleki axis, the Sangotedo axis, to make it to be very active, and people, sure, the fact is people are actually moving to this axis more. So the best thing I would recommend you to do is to try to own as much property you can own in this axis, especially now that this place is opening up. Let me tell you a little about this particular project. We have two phases in this Lekki-EPE Expressway construction. The first phase, which has been completed and has been inaugurated by the governor of Lagos State, is from Elekki Junction down to the Ekpeti Junction. This phase has been inaugurated, and this particular phase is an 18.7 kilometer road, which is from Lekki down to Epe. Then the second phase, which is where we are currently, is from Adesonya, where we have the fourth mainland bridge. It is a 26.7 kilometer span road from Adesonya down to Eleko Junction, which is yet to be completed. This is the best time for you to position yourself to own a property in this Lekki-EPE Expressway as this is an update video to show you the progress of this road construction. Kindly stay to the end of this video. My name is Dennis Isom. I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. So if you're looking at buying a property in this Etiosa local government or down to a Lekki local government along this Lekki-EPE Expressway, make sure you contact me. The number on the screen is my number. I will be glad to assist you. This is the update video. Yeah, from the observation, from what I'm seeing here, all the way from Sangotedo down to Awoyaya, the left part of the road has been done. The concrete has been done. From what I've seen, from Sangotedo is still at the beginning stage, but immediately I got to Abijo, the concrete pavement has been done. Then that is on one lane, which is the left hand side if you are coming from Aja. Then in Abijo, as is also, I also discovered that the second phase, which is the right hand side, currently the progress is the filling. They are currently filling and also doing the setting and the landscaping. That is what I've seen so far. So stay to the end of this video as I take you and give you the update. Let's see if this road has been abandoned from what you've seen so far. If you think this road has been abandoned, or is the pace at which you want it to be delivered is on point, can you let me know on the comment section? Say something about it. But if you think that the government is trying on this construction of this road, you know this road is a major road. This road straight leads to Epe, and from Epe straight to Ijebu-Ode, which is Ogun State. It's a major road, and one challenge we have in this houses is there are no internal road. That is where the idea of the fourth mainland bridge came into place, so that there can be internal road. Look, from the island you can actually navigate to mainland easily. Currently, you can see this is Gostari's motor, and currently I'm in Awoyaya, because this is Awoyaya. So, and it's still ongoing. Is this road straight? You can move to Ijebu-Ode. From this route, you can also move to Bega. From this route, you can move, if you are going to east, you can move to east, that is to Anambra, to Imo, and the rest. So if you are following this route straight to east, and also if you are going backwards, it leads to Aja, it leads to Lekki Phase 1. So this is the update so far. And currently I'm in Awoyaya. From what I'm seeing here, in Awoyaya, the two lane has been done. Wow, this is interesting. This is Awoyaya now. The two lane has been done. The lane by the left and the right lane by the right in Awoyaya, it has been done. And the drainage system, you know what the challenge we have in this axis? The major axis, this particular axis is drainage system. And from what I'm seeing here, this particular construction, the drainage system has been done. Why? So they are still laying block on part of the drainage system. From what I'm seeing here, this is massive. This is good. So if you are going toward Lekki now, you will not face the kind of hold up. I mean, you're going toward Ekpe, you will not face the kind of hold up you'll be facing again, because the construction is ongoing. So this is nice.
this is Awoyaya now, and the two lane has been done. So this is massive progress so far. This is just the updates to let you know that this road has not been abandoned. From what I'm seeing here, this road has not been abandoned. Men are on site working. Men are on site working, and this is Awoyaya. This is Awoyaya. This is the Meridian Park. Then we are in Awoyaya. So this is the part 2 of this particular video. I would strongly recommend that you stay for the part 3. For the part 3, I will drive all the way from Awoyaya down to Bugije, then down to Lekki. So let's see the progress of the road. So stay tuned in this video for the part 3. So if you're looking at buying a property in Lagos, Nigeria, the best person to talk to is Dennis Esong. I don't just give you the property, I give you the route to the property, and I also sell good investments. Thank you so much.